Hello everyone, Angelica here with Larry the Computer Guy. We are an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan, specializing in cybersecurity and compliance. Today for malware news. It only takes one supplier with a bug to bring several of its clients to their knees. Recently, an online workflow management platform succumbed to a supply chain attack that has been claiming victims for the past month. Monday.com became the latest victim of the CodeCov supply chain attack, wherein unauthorized actors gained access to a read-only copy of its source code. The website of one of the world's largest insurance carriers was knocked offline in a cyber attack. Guard.me, a student health insurance carrier, had to bring its network offline after a threat act accessed policyholders' personal information. In the wake of a wave of cyber attacks on the U.S. critical infrastructure, the government proposed billions in funds to revamp it. The Biden administration ordered an overhaul that focuses on cybersecurity spending, including helping companies upgrade cybersecurity measures as part of its $2.3 trillion infrastructure spending. We hope that you're having a good week and stay safe on the interwebs. Remember, you can call us if you need any cybersecurity assistance.